Hey y'all, welcome to another Lang Thang Fishing Channel video. We were on the way to go fishing and catastrophic failure on the truck. But anyways, it's under warranty, fortunately, that part, because I just replaced it not too long ago. Thanks for the audio. But anyways, Jimmy's on the way to come get me. We're still gonna go fish. She's gotta sit here until we can until we can get her. I can't even talk. I'm freaking stressing out. We're gonna be leaving her here, going fishing, coming back, grabbing her when I get her towed back to the house, get the new park put on, blah, blah, blah. So anyways, good times. You know, what's a Lang Thang Fishing Channel video without some adventure? Anyways, we will see you when Jimmy gets here. All right, well, Jimmy saved me. Saved me, Jimmy. He saved me. And we're here. Let's do it. Well, we own it. After catastrophic truck failure, we're on it. I was glad I know how to turn a wrench and can fix my own daggone stuff. And it was under warranty. I just hope it didn't blow out a bunch of other whatnot. That will suck. But let's get to fishing, shall we? All right. Oh, dude, that was a bite. 1 trillion fucking percent, dude. Trillions, bro.
It sucks, huh?
Trillion, 1 trillion million billion Joe Biden fucking number. Got my fucking heart on now. Ugh. Yeah, y'all will see that on the video. That was for fucking sure. For King sure. Joe Biden. Yeah, he freaking whammed me. There it is again. There it is again. I got his ass this time. Oh, dude, what the flying epic fucking shit. You're seeing my rod, right? Okay. Like, I'm not like hallucinating because I have a wheel bearing fuck on my truck. See, what's that? That right there. I got him. Yeah, I got to fish that time. Oh, dude, he's decent. Yeah! Ah-hoo! Oh, dude. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Ah, woo! Oh, man. Got him on this right here. We went Bandito bug with the Woo Tungsten 1/4 ounce shaky head. Yes, sir. And he wanted it. Y'all kiss him. Skunk. Bye-bye. Yeah, I thought I was tripping fishy bites just then, dude. Because I want them so bad.
Nope.
I really do. I feel like that was more than one fish over there because I got away from that one unless he was feeling spry. Thickum grass. Yay, I caught a fish. He was pushing too.
Yeah, it was about like the one we caught over there.
Yeah. He was more than a pound and a half. Sharp Mofackling teeth on him. Tell you that. Yeah, let's backlash that. Yeah. That's good stuff. Yeah, let him fucking sit there. Yeah. I'm in a weird mood apparently right now. Well, that freaking wind, dude, my life kind of flashed a little. Because that's like one of my biggest concerns ever in a lifted truck is that wheel bearing or something in the front end going on you.
Yeah. It's scary, isn't it?
Uh-huh. Not as scary as the death wobble, though.
I was in my dump truck. I had the front tire go. Going 70 down the fucking freeway.
Dude, what's with the fucking bees, dude? Come on, man. All of you, get on out of here.
Come on, man.
Yeah, here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
With my 100 million trillion. Dude, what is fucking this lineup so bad? That's so gnarly. It's still doing it.
You're not missing an insert in one of your eyes or something, are you?
Not from what I can tell.
Looks like they're all there.
Yeah. And I've gone through and have felt everything, and nothing feels snagged or snarled or nothing, dude, in them eyes. What's weird, it's like the same distance from the bait, bro.
As it was last time, huh?
Yeah. Crazy. Well, I'm not dealing with that, dude. You know what I mean?
Drama.
Yeah, it's big time drama, dude. I'm glad I didn't walk into that.
Me too. I tried to swing behind you.
Well, fortunately, the cast was on your right, not your left. I would have been destroyed. Yeah, a little bit. Like half-ounce jig? Quarter? Still would have stung. And that's why I brought my very first ever bait caster. It's a pretty good trusty. I got like a narrow wide gap deal on here. Some mystery tackle box hook. World's sharpest hook, it says. Like a red worm hook, a regular worm hook, and this little bit of a wider gap deal. So pretty much same setup, just a Woo tungsten pegged 1/4 ounce with a, yeah, why don't I do it? Because it's been working. Oh, that tensioner knob's on there, isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty. I cleaned reels the other day. Can still loosen up some. That will take that break down more too. One thing I like about this 1/4 ounce bullet weight, it does come through the grass really well. That or it was one fish and he really wanted this bug. The one I caught. Oh, that's a bite. Oh, you dick hole. You urethra end. It wasn't far from the boat, that bite. Not at all. Do I have pinchers? Yeah. Yes, my cast radius is gigantic. Stay away. Alright. Hoodie's off, back in action, shit's getting real. It's gonna get real right now. least it's pretty out. Gotta give it that. Oh. Yep. Yep. And I break.
Set that hook like a madman.
Well, I seen a little fucking something wrong in it. That's probably right where that was at. That was bit, no doubt about it. Shit! That was a bit. That was a bit. Yeah, I felt this little abrasion and thought to myself, maybe you should retie a while back. Shit, Jimmy. Yeah, because we were drifting towards. Yeah. All right, retied. Trying to get back in the game here. Do. Something like that right there. Something like this right here. A little something like that. Pull them little doohickeys apart, because the doohickeys don't work if you don't. All right. Let's try this again.
What's up, Ava? Well, we're just getting our asses handed to us today. Yeah, we've caught one apiece. Yeah, and the weather's absolutely gorgeous, but we cannot get them to bite. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Probably fish here for a little bit longer than daylight. And then bring the boat home and go get Jeff's truck. Or at least take him home. Alright.
That's where my truck is.
Alright, well, we'll see you shortly. Alright, I'm thinking, Dev.
What up? What up?
Last 15, 20 minutes or so, we have to put this in the bag.
Okay. Touch tips. Into the sunshine. Hey, at least it wasn't all for nothing. Kinda. One apiece. Lost bait. You know what? It was a very nice day on the water. Well, y'all, thank you for watching another Lang Thang Fishing Channel video. We got the truck back at the house. She's right out. Down. We got that part off that broke, which is right there. Looked like it muffed up that rotor pretty good. Not sure if it messed up the axle. Got a mechanic buddy who's gonna look at it. Pardon me, I got a itch on my face, mustache hairs and whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna get out and do it again. See you on the next run. Boom.